Good morning. Today's lesson, circumference. What is the meaning of circumference? The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. It means it is the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is called circumference of the circle. We have this symbol. This symbol is called pi, and pi has two values, 3.14 and 22/7, and it will be the ratio between circumference and the length of the diameter. Again, the circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. It will be the perimeter of the circle. This symbol is called pi, and it is a constant value, equals in fractional form 22/7 and in decimal form 3.14, and it is equal to the length of the circumference over the length of the diameter. Now, circumference rules. We have two rules to find the circumference. The first, pi multiply diameter. We use this if we have the length of the diameter. Pi equals 3.14 multiply the length of the diameter. And because the diameter equals 2 radii, we can use this formula if we have the length of the radius. 2 multiply pi multiply radius, or 2 pi r. Again, we have two formulas. The first, pi multiply diameter. We use it if we have the length of the diameter. The second, 2 multiply pi multiply radius, or 2 pi r. We use it if we have the length of the radius, and the pi always equals 3.14 because it is a constant value. Now, example, find the circumference of the following circle. We have the length of the radius 3 centimeters. For that, we use the formula 2 multiply pi multiply radius. 2 multiply the radius is 3, multiply the value of pi 3.14. 2 multiply 3 6, and 6 multiply 3.14 equals 18.84 centimeters. In this circle we have the length of the diameter. For that we use the formula pi multiply diameter. 3.2, this is the length of the diameter, multiply 3.14, we make normal multiplication, the result will be 10.048 inches. Another example, in this circle we have the length of the radius 5 centimeters. The formula we use is 2 multiply pi multiply radius. 2 multiply 5, the length of the radius, multiply 3.14, this is the value of pi. 2 multiply 5, 10, and 10 multiply 3.14, the result will be 31.4 centimeters. Another example, in this circle we have the length of the diameter 9 feet. Because we have the length of the diameter, we use the formula pi multiply diameter. 9, this is the length of the diameter, multiply the value of pi 3.14. 9 multiply 3.14 equals 28.26 feet. Another example, here we have the length of the radius 7 yards. The formula we use is 2 multiply pi multiply radius. 2 multiply radius 7 multiply 3.14. 2 multiply 7, 14. 14 multiply 3.14, the result will be 43.96 yards. Another example, here we have diameter 4.5. 4.5 in decimal form 4.5, and we have diameter. For that we multiply the length of the diameter by the value of pi. 4.5, 4.5 equals 4.5 multiply 3.14. The result will be 14.13 feet. Here we have radius 10 yards. We use the formula 2 multiply pi multiply radius, or 2 multiply radius multiply pi. The order in the multiplication is the same. 2 multiply the radius is 10, and pi equals 3.14. 2 multiplied 10, 20. 20 multiplied 3.14 equals 62.8 yards. We have diameter 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter in decimal form equals 2.25. This is the value of the diameter, 2.25 multiplied by 3.14. The result will be 7.065 meters. This is the end of our lesson. Thanks.